Six Sigma. What comes to your mind when you hear these two words? Something totally alien? Something only a specialist team handles? A management initiative that someone is trying to push down? Something complicated, full of statistics and jargons? And honestly, not really your cup of tea. I have heard every one of those and many more, and I completely understand why. Hi, I am Priyank Awasthi, a Six Sigma Master Black Belt with close to 2 decades of experience across IT, manufacturing, and services, helping teams solve real problems and deliver tangible results. I have been fortunate to be around great teachers, outstanding leaders, and amazing teams across the globe. And here's what it all taught me. Six Sigma does not have to be complicated. It has to be explained well. This book, Six Sigma Essentials, is my attempt to do exactly that. It walks you through the DMAIC, the 5-phase framework that is the backbone of every Six Sigma project. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. This book provides a brief introduction followed by one chapter for each phase with clear explanations, relatable examples, ready to use templates, and step-by-step guidance on the tools that matters the most. Every chapter closes with a quick recap and a fundamental checklist because knowing the tools is one thing and knowing that you are ready to move forward is another. Read it from start to finish to build a complete picture, or use it chapter by chapter alongside a live project. Read a phase, apply the tools, and move forward. This is the companion that you are looking for to help you execute your first Six Sigma project. Whether you are a student or a fresh graduate building your foundation on Six Sigma, a working professional preparing for certification, a seasoned black belt looking for a quick refresher, or a manager wanting to drive improvement in your team, your function. This book is a perfect starting point. Let's take the first step towards the excellence. Six Sigma changed my way of looking at the problems, and I hope it does the same for you. Cheers.